This is the mysterious hexagonal storm at Saturn's North Pole. Back in 2007, it stretched nearly 25,000 kilometers across. Thanks to the Cassini spacecraft, we now have stunningly clear images of this strange phenomenon. As Cassini passed through the gaps in Saturn's magnificent rings, it captured a tiny blue dot glowing in the distance. That dot was none other than our Earth. Today, let's embark on a journey to Saturn to uncover the secrets hidden within its majestic rings and fascinating family of moons. In our solar system, Saturn lies about 1.4 billion kilometers away from Earth. This giant gas planet looks like a dreamlike world adrift in space, made even more surreal by its dazzling rings. It's no wonder so many dream of traveling there. If we could fly at 1 million km/h, the trip would take only 58 days. From afar, Saturn looks like a faint star, but up close, its sheer size is overwhelming. With a diameter of 120,000 kilometers, Saturn is nearly 763 times larger in volume than Earth. Yet what astonishes scientists most are its 7 magnificent rings. They span 270,000 kilometers in diameter, but they're less than 1 kilometer thick, as thin as paper. These rings are composed of countless frozen rocks and icy particles. Scientists believe Saturn's immense gravity may have torn apart ancient moons that ventured too close, pulling them inside the Roche limit. Over millions of years, the shattered fragments spread out and evolved into the breathtaking rings we see today. Among Saturn's many moons is S2009S1, discovered by Cassini on the 26th of July, 2009. This tiny moon, just 300 meters across, orbits within Saturn's B ring. If you stood on its surface, you'd see colossal icy boulders swirling all around you, a spectacular yet dangerous sight, because these frozen rocks constantly collide like a never-ending meteor shower. Nearby lies Pan, also known as Atlas. Though only 30 kilometers in diameter, its unique flying saucer shape makes it unforgettable. Orbiting just outside the rings, Pan endures frigid temperatures as low as 190 degrees Celsius. Further out is Mimas, nicknamed the Death Star Moon for its striking resemblance to the famous space station. With a diameter of 397 kilometers, Mimas carries an enormous impact crater, Herschel, spanning 130 kilometers across nearly one-third its entire size. Then there's Enceladus, Saturn's shimmering jewel, just 504 kilometers wide. It's cloaked in ice yet teems with activity. Powerful geysers shoot water, salt, and organic molecules hundreds of kilometers into space. Beneath its frozen crust, scientists suspect a vast subsurface ocean, making Enceladus one of the most promising places to search for extraterrestrial life. Another remarkable moon is Rhea, Saturn's second largest, with a diameter of 1,528 kilometers. Its surface is scarred by ancient craters, some over 100 kilometers wide, and it even has a thin oxygen exosphere, though far too sparse for us to breathe. But the true giant among Saturn's moons is Titan, with a diameter of 5,150 kilometers. Titan is larger than Mercury. Shrouded in a thick golden atmosphere rich in nitrogen and methane, Titan's surface hides mountains, rivers, and vast seas not of water, but of liquid methane and ethane. Here, rain falls, but it rains methane. This bizarre cycle could even support a form of life utterly different from Earth's. And finally, we arrive at Iapetus, Saturn's third largest moon, some 1,469 kilometers across. What makes it astonishing is its dual nature. One hemisphere as dark as coal, the other as bright as snow, with a mysterious ridge cutting across it like the seam of a giant walnut. The origin of this strange feature remains an unsolved cosmic riddle. To this day, Saturn boasts 145 confirmed moons, making it one of the most extraordinary celestial systems in our solar neighborhood. Each moon holds secrets, and perhaps just maybe one of them harbors life. Discovering it would be a breakthrough of unimaginable importance for humanity. Until then, Saturn remains a beacon of mystery and wonder, inviting us to dream, to explore, and to reach further into the cosmos.